Now I'm going to go over how to create a meeting for Google Meets and how you can send out that invitation to people and how you can also schedule a meeting for a different time if you don't want to start a meeting right now. So the first thing you want to do is go to meet.google.com and make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Once there, you see you have a couple different options, start meeting or enter a code to join a meeting, but we're going to start our own meeting here. Once we do, it's going to set up a few things for us, and you have a few different options. You can join the meeting, or you can click present. Present is just if you want to share something on your screen right away, you can do that, but you can also select present once you're in the meeting. You can also see right here is the meeting link, so if you want to copy it and send it to people, you can. There's also another way to do that too, but it's right there. We're going to click join. And now you can see once we're in the meeting, we have that same link here again, and you can copy the info and text it or email it or send it however you want from your computer here, or you can just click add people. If you click on add people, you can just select their email right here and type in whoever you want to send it to, type in their email and send it off, and it'll send them a link and everything they need to join the meeting. So once you've invited everyone, you can see you've got me right here, and then you've got a bunch of different information up here in the top right. You have how many people are in it, and if there were more people, you would see them here. You could add people even from right here, so if you need to add more people later, you can do that. And then you also have chat, so you could go and send a message to everyone in this meeting if you want to. You can just click out of that. Then down at the bottom you have meeting details. If you click the arrow, you have that link. You can copy it and send it to people if you need to. You can also see attachments. That's if you attached anything in the Google Calendar part, which we'll go over in a minute. Then you have controls for your microphone, end call, and video. And then you also you can turn on captions if you want to, or present now, which if you just click on that, allows you to share your entire screen, a certain window, or a Chrome tab. And we'll go over that in another video. And if you click the three dots here, you get more options. So you can switch cameras, you can change the layout. So if you had multiple people on this call, you can see you have different layouts here, where there's auto. So if you want to see everyone in like a grid tiled view, you can go ahead and do that, or pick any of these other templates you want. So that's kind of the basics of a meeting if you create one. Now we're going to go over how to schedule one. So to schedule a meeting, you go to meets.google.com and then you click schedule a video meeting from Google Calendar. So if we click on this, it's going to open Google Calendar for us. And this is where we're going to type in all the information we want. So first we're going to give it a title. And then you can see we have the dates, which we can select whatever date we want, and we can select whatever time we want. So we can go through here and let's say like 10, and we want it to go to, and then you can also just type in a time if you want to. So if you want it to go to 35, you can do that. And then it's probably going to end on the same day, but that's up to you. You can select the time zone here if you need to. You can say this is going to be an all-day meeting. You can repeat this event if you want to. So if this is like a weekly meeting you have every Friday or something like that, you can go ahead and just schedule this every Friday at this time. We're going to have this meeting for this long. You can select a custom one, so you can select the days of the week, how many times it'll repeat, weekly, monthly, whatever. So you can see here, and a bunch of different options. So if this is a reoccurring meeting, you can go ahead and set those. You can see here the join with Google Meet button. You can also hit the copy meeting link. So again, that meeting link, if you want to send it out a different way, you can do that. And then you can add location, get notified, 30 minutes before the meeting starts, and a bunch of different options. You can write a description and, kind of anything like that. And then you can add guests over here. So you can just directly add people's emails there, and it will send out this Google Calendar invite, and they will see it on their Google Calendar. So if I go ahead and click save, it'll pull up the meeting here. And if you click on the meeting, you can see you have a bunch of different options here. You can click right here to join the meeting right away. This will be how it is for anyone else you added as a guest to this Google Calendar invite. And then from here, you can edit the event, you can delete the event, you can email guests, and there are other options too. So if you need to go add more people or change the event time or anything, you're gonna do that all within Google Calendar, okay? So that's how you can schedule a Google Meets meeting. And go back here, so you can see this page pretty much looks the same. So if you wanna make any changes or anything, you're gonna wanna head back into that Google Calendar invite and go ahead and make any changes there. But yeah, that's how you can set up a meeting or schedule a meeting or anything like that. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get notified about other helpful tech videos I post to the channel. Thanks for watching.